how hot it is, just as long as it's hot to move under the hammer. And it's just like forging. Once you get that gap closed, that's it. You're done. Now, a little bit of deformation can persist from doing it this way, but typically you just put it back on the grinder, clean it up, and you're done. So there's the guard for this little knife. So I'll cool it off so that the heat doesn't transfer up much more than that, and proceed on from there. So there you go, just to kind of give you an idea how it's done, at least how I do it, and maybe that'll be helpful for somebody down the road.